Hi guys, so we're back and the Case Luxxum has arrived. So what we've got here is a Case Luxxum 120. So it completely should match sort of the Kubota, obviously more power. Got the topper on the back, flail mower, Tegel flail mower. That's been a great flail so far. 140 litre diesel tank, 10 litre blue tank, and it is a 3.4 litre 4-cylinder tractor with a FPT transmission or engine. So yeah, very nice tractor indeed. Let's go around it. Fits the flail lovely, great flail that is. So compact tractor, front loader brackets on it. We'll pop inside. Don't hold me to all the controls, I need to grease up the flail, so that's what we're going to do. We'll stick the key in there. It's only done about 11 hours so far, so it's very new. So here we go. So you've got a passenger seat here, which just you sit on it, when no one sits on it, it goes automatically up. A little cubby holder there, and a fast and slow, hare and tortoise. So obviously you've got the shuttle here, like any other case, window wipers and washer here, and indicator. We'll go back to that in a minute. This is the joystick on it. Not sure what they call it, but it's very nice in the hand here. So what we've got is your transmission, so you can go into manual, auto, or auto, road speed, etc, etc. I'll show you. We've got a clutch here, your preset engine speed, so when you're on the PTO work it's great, or a loader. Up and down gear, your link arms up and down too, and forward and backwards is all on there. There's a button on the back, so you just press backwards and forwards. For your loader you've got a lovely joystick, really nice joystick here, if you can see that. This I'm not sure, I think it's the timer for your spools, but I'm not 100% sure on that. Got a lovely big knob here for your linkage, which I've set that up right for the flail, so how far that'll lower down is on there. Your draft control, your revs here, and then your limiter, so how far that'll rev up. On here's your button for how aggressive it'll be. Not sure what that is. You've got manual spools. You can have two electric ones on here, which would have been nice. This hasn't got front axle suspension, which is a shame, or cab suspension. That's something I would go for if I did, but never mind. It would be nice to see what it's like. Yeah, two manual spools. People like the manual spools. Your preset revs here. Also, four-wheel drive, or you can put it in yourself. Same with the diff lock. Your link arms on here as well. So I quite like using it on here. It is very nice. To the side here, we've got your normal or your eco for your PTO. You've got 540 and 1000, and obviously your eco is on here if you want it. This button, so you push that down and you're telling the tractor that you're going outside. So once you're outside, let's say you had a saw bench or wood saw bench, you could use the outside PTO just to turn it on when you need it. That's your engagement here, your air conditioning, your lights, more lights, your beacons, etc, and they're all LEDs. Your Bluetooth radio, and you get this RAM mount, which is nice, which most of them are coming with now on these cases, which is nice to have. Obviously on here I've got my linkage height set, how quick it'll lower down. I'm not sure what that is, haven't worked that out yet. This armrest comes up, so you can get to your controls there lovely and easily. So yeah, it's a very nice tractor. So we'll just start it up here. We'll turn the air conditioning off so you can see what we're doing. So obviously here's your gauge. You've got gear match. So I've got this set on the PTO speed on the back because that's what I've been using. 100% AdBlue. That is AdBlue. So yeah, so on here, am I looking at the right thing? Yeah, you've got the gears. So if you press it, you've got auto, so this is auto on the field, so it's got your plough on here. Your road auto on the road, so yeah, it changes gear a bit differently. Manual, which I've been using flail mowing, and gear match, so I match the gears. So if you go up here, well, it's not going to do it. Why is that not going? I don't know if I've got to start it or not, but I'll see if that'll go. No, it won't. But you've got 4 gears, I think, and you've got the ranges in it. So sort of like a power shift, up and down on here. Then you hold the button in behind and press plus, and that'll go up to the next gear. If you're driving it on manual, on here you can change to what you're looking at on the back. So you've got 4%, how low my linkage is on the back end, 15.9 hours, back to the PTO. So that is quite nice to have. Here you've got your spools, how much you've done, and again I'm not really sure how you set that up. How much you're doing an hour, how much fuel you're burning an hour, and your voltage on the battery here. So yeah, it's all very nice. So we'll start her up, clutch in, very quiet indeed. I can actually show you, here we go. So that's the ranges I'm going up on here. I'm clicking up, and then you hold back the button, press it forward. It's not doing it, so I'm not actually driving, but yeah, you know what I mean. That will go up to the next range. But it's all very nice in here. So we'll lift the back end up on here, which I've done on here. So that you can do everything on this joystick. So if we put it back into, we'll go into manual here. So I'll lower this down, clutch in, hold the button. We'll just go down. So I'm going down the ranges there, gone down to 1 on the gears. I'm going to go down right down below to 1 because I'm going to grease the flail mower up. So now we're in backwards. So we'll go backwards here. Always remember to take the handbrake off as well, would help. So yeah, so we're going to forward here, press that button, go straight into forward without having to clutch here. But we'll yeah, grease the flail up with this one. Yes, they just get used to the tractor. Into back here, into reverse. Yeah, did a lovely job on the flail. It fits the flail really nicely. Obviously you can use this stick here if you want to. But yeah, very nice tractor indeed. Definitely my sort of spec. The Puma's way too big for me, but it's lovely to try. So what we'll do here, we'll put the brake on. It's a very quiet tractor, but very nice. The Vestrum is like a Puma, but just a smaller cab. So we've got the grease gun here. We're just going to grease it up. It needs to be done every 8 hours roughly, I think. So squeeze some grease in there. Got quite a few days mowing to do. Got 2 days mowing, just on a contract basis. And I think we're out of grease. Yeah. Typical. Go and change the grease cartridge. Oh, got grease on my hand. So we're listening to the diesel up here, it's all greased up, ready to go. And we're just gonna fill it up with diesel. This might be a problem because this is obviously a gravity fed diesel tank, and obviously the diesel tank on here is a lot higher. AdBlue is nice and low though, so if I need to get any AdBlue, it's got a filter in there, which is good as I haven't got one unless I use a funnel. She's connected. We'll fill her up. Oh yeah, it's filling up. Then that should be ready to go tomorrow. Expensive stuff now, diesel is. But talking about the tractor itself, another price thing will be the diesel, not the diesel, but AdBlue, as that has obviously gone up a lot nowadays. That's another thing to think about. Yeah, I think the back end lift is about 5 tonne, I think. Don't hold me to that. So left side's got 2 spools. Obviously you've got your brakes on the side as well. But yeah, I love this topper, love this flail. It's done such a good job lately. Sorry, I don't understand why I keep going on about this flail mate. I know it's so good, I've said it 100 times. Sorry about that. But yeah, it's all very nice, compact machine. Fits in the barn lovely, all the hay's going soon. Exhaust is on the side, whereas the Kubota is on the middle. But you don't really notice it much, to be fair. But yeah, I will probably get wider tyres on it. And definitely the front axle suspension. Maintenance wise, it's pretty easy. I'll show you the engine. But yeah, all in. So far it's a nice tractor, but I haven't really. I enjoy using it for some flail mowing. So I want to do a couple of days. I'll tell you my back soon hurts. But yeah. Here we are, sports fans. We are mowing. I've got it all set up on here now, so yeah, it's been a lovely job. Very quiet, although I have got the windows open. A bit of fresh air from the side windows. By the looks of it, this top one opens as well, so I'm going to lift it up on there. Up it goes. I'm going to cut a strip in the middle here. Turning circle isn't the best on this machine, I have to admit. One thing I would say, well, Kubota has got a really good turning circle on it. Yeah, T-Will leaves a lovely finish, although it's been very wet, it's still leaving a very nice finish here. So we'll lift it back up again. Very nice to drive. So we're in gear 1 here. And we're in number 2 on the range. This goes in and out. You just tighten it on here. But yeah, very nice machine. I'll lower it back down. There she goes. She touched the ground. Getting a bits I missed here, but yeah. Really is nice. Space wise here, I don't know. I'd say it's about the same as the Kubota. The seats definitely come here. Space wise I don't know though. About the same I think, it's not much in it. It's now Friday, so we've had it for a while, and I love the joystick. Once I get an extra spool on it, that'd be lovely as well. I mean, a fair bit of topping on it, quite a lot now. A bit damp this corner of the field here, so yeah, can't go very quick, but I've been over there getting about 7k, so yeah. Drinking out fairly thirsty. That's probably normal, but this is one bigger tractor than what I'm used to. But it's definitely not struggling. I know that for sure. All the console lights up as well, which is lovely to see. Let's drop back in here as well. But yeah, the joystick is it's really nice. You just lay your hand on it and you fit on there quite well. The joystick one is nice as well, to be honest. I don't mind using that on a loader on, but yeah. Not much to say really. Until you drive it, you don't actually know, but I'm telling you now, it is lovely. Lovely. So yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. This one's probably been quite boring because this tractor is actually the one which I've been looking at or wanted to look at for a while. So yeah, I haven't really been interested in filming. I've been interested in trying it for myself to see what I think and whether it fits my system. I wouldn't mind looking at a Vestrum as well. But yeah, I think this could be the one in the future anyway. Not now, but in the future. Yeah, lovely tractor. Thanks to Ernest Doe Framlingham for allowing me to help the tractor and Case UK. Yeah, we'll try the Vestrum. It's a bit like a Puma, and we'll see how we get on with that. So make sure you like, comment and subscribe for more videos to come. Cheers guys.